Alright, so this is a new project, Kawasaki Concours 14. We're going to need a couple things, handlebars, speedometer, headlights, and then a new shifter. I already have the fairings, so it should go pretty quickly. I mean, let's see if we can get her started. So we have a jumper hooked up to the battery. It is dead, so we're going to give it a shot. I added some new fuel in here, so it's not like super old stuff. Previous guy ran it into a semi, so... Nice. Awesome. So we got her started. So follow if you want to see the next step, which is going to be getting the headlights mounted.